Hello students, this is the fourth part of tangents and secants concept. So today I am going to explain how to find the areas of circular segments. Okay, observe students, this is a circle. Circle means what? Set of points which are equidistant from a fixed point. Only the points on this curve is said to be a circle. Center of the circle doesn't belong to the circle. Okay. No, sometimes you need to find the area of a circle. You know how to find area of circle, that is pi r square. Yeah, students listen, this is the circular region. Circular region. A secant is taken. This secant divides the circular region into two parts. Each part is called a segment. If this secant doesn't pass through center, we get two segments. One is called minor segment, another is called major segment. The segment containing center is called major segment. The segment doesn't containing center is called minor segment. In my diagram, this is minor segment, this is major segment. Okay. How to find area of the circle? Okay, easy only, but how to find area of the segment? We can difficult task. Finding area of minor segment and major segment is difficult task. For example, the secant is passing through center, then these two segments are equal, each equal to semicircle only. Here in this case, directly you can find area of the circle segment. I can say area of the segment is pi r square by 2 only. But in this case, how to find the area of the segment, and in this case, how to find the area of the segment. Okay. For that, a sector definition should revise sector. Okay, now I want to define a sector of a circle. Okay, a circular sector or a circular sector is the portion of a disc enclosed by two radii and an arc. For example, this is the circle. I want to define a circular sector. So, what is the definition? You need to take an arc. For example, AB is an arc. So, the center of the circle OA and OB should join. This is called a sector. A circular sector of a circular sector is the portion of the disc enclosed by two radii and an arc. This is sector. So this is also sector only. The dotted one also sector only. So one is called minor sector and is called major sector. So the sector formed by minor arc is called a minor sector. The sector formed by major arc is major sector. Okay. We have the formula to find the area of the sector. For example, angle made by this arc at center is theta degree and radius of the circle is r. Then by using the formula theta degree by 360 into pi r square, you can find the area of the sector. This is also one of the useful formula to find the area of the segments. So in this way you can find the area of the sector. If this is theta, this is the area. So what is this 360 minus theta means? You get the area of the dotted sector. Okay, one thing. Next, sometimes you need to find length of the arc. Length of the formula is given by theta degree by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the length of the arc L. So by using this, you can solve some problems. Okay. Okay, students, here are some useful formulae given in our textbook. Just I want revise. This is rectangle, length L, breadth B, area LB, square, side S square. A triangle is given, base B, height H, height means corresponding height, A equal half into B into corresponding height. Circle is given, radius, then its area is pi r square. So this is our first problem. Find the area of the segment AYB. AYB. Okay, I will show you. So AYB. I think this area should find. Okay, students, listen, Anna. Find the area of the segment AYB shown in the figure. Given radius of the circle is 21 centimeters, angle AOB is 120 degree. Okay. So I will draw a rough sketch for this Nana again. So this is the circle. This is center. Yeah. First of all, our target is to find the area of the sector. Area of this sector you can find. Angle is given 120 degree here. radius is 21. We can find area of this sector. After that, we can find area of this triangle. Area of this sector minus area of this triangle gives area of the shaded region. Okay, that is plan. So first of all, finding area of the sector is not big problem. First of all, you need to find area of the triangle. Okay. So actually, listen all of you. So what is given here triangle? I want to use another color. Red is not good. Okay, Rana, observe here. This is triangle. This is 21. This is 21. This is O. This is A. This is B. First target is to find the area of this triangle. Direct formula is there with us. Two sides and include angle is given. Half BC into sin A. But that formula is, I think we can't apply in SSC examination. That's why another way I will find the area of this triangle. Okay. I will write. First, we need to find area of triangle. Okay. To find area of triangle, the isosceles only, drop perpendicular from O on AB, automatically D become the midpoint, no, because isosceles triangle. I will write that. Draw OD perpendicular to AB. Directly I want to write implies AD equal to DB. The reason is AOB is an isosceles. AOB is an isosceles. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So the isosceles triangle equal sides, no? In between them, if altitude is drawn, that will the median, that will the angular bisector, everything. So this angle becomes 60. This 60. Our target is to find height and base, no? To find area. Okay. So height and base. Now I use a small right triangle. Using basic trigonometrical ratios, I can find this is O, this is D, this is A, this is 60 degree. Okay. Again, from triangle, what is the triangle? Yeah, ADO. Find sine 60 nana first. Sine 60, opposite side AD, hypotenuse 21. Root 3 by 2, actually this one, root 3 by 2 equal to AD into 21. So AD equal to 21 into root 3 by 2. But we want AB, no? AB nothing but 2 times of AD only. Directly I can say 21 root 3. So leave it. Next what should find? Next we want to find height. So cos 60. Next page I will add cos 60. OD by 21. 1 by 2 equal OD by 21. OD equal to 21 by 2. First of all, I want to find area of the triangle. Area of triangle AOB equal to half into base AB into corresponding heights OD. Half into just now we got that is 21 root 3. 21 root 3 into OD 21 by 2. Yeah. Okay. 21 whole square into root 3 by 4. This is area of the triangle. Next I want to find area of the sector. AOB, area of sector AOB equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. 120 degree by 360 into pi is not equal to 22 by 7, so approximately equal to 27. I will take 22 by 7, not exact value of that. Pi is actually irrational number. 21 into 21. So 7 ones are 7 3s are 3 ones are 3 120s are 120 get cancelled. So what I got in here 21 into 22. Don't simplify, at last we will simplify. So area of the required segment, area of required segment equal to area of sector AOB minus area of triangle AOB. What is the area of the sector? 21 into 22 minus 21 square into root 3 by 4. We need to simplify this. 121 you can take common. So what is 22 minus 121 root 3 by 4. Root 3 means 1.732. Yeah, that should be multiplied by 21. After that you need to divide it by 4. So yeah, that is, I think, your work only. Simplifications. Okay, students, actually I want to simplify 21 by 4 into 88 minus 21 root 3 SQ units. Units are centimeters. What is the yeah, centimeters given a radius, I can say square centimeters. Okay, this is the area of the required segment. Sometimes you need to simplify, Nana. Instead of root 3, write 1.732 and multiply. So I found the solution by using calculator. So I got 271.047 SQ units. Yeah, our second problem. Find the area of the segment shaded in figure if PQ is equal to 24. Okay, so I will explain here. This is the diagram. This is diameter. QR is diameter, and this is P. This PQ is given as 24. PR is given as 7, and QR is the diameter of the circle. Then you need to find area of this region. Okay, just we want to find area of the semicircle minus area of this right triangle gives the area of the shaded region. That is not a big problem. So I want to again diagram on here. This is diameter. What is the diameter? Name QR is the diameter. Okay, here a triangle is inscribed. Obviously, angle semicircle is right angle only. Angle semicircle 90 degree means that is triangle becomes right angle only. So you want to find this shaded area. This area should find. So here 90 degree. This is center O. PQ given as 24. This is given as 7. Okay, we need to find diameter. No, without diameter you can't find area of the semicircle. So first of all, from triangle. Yeah, what is the triangle? It's not mentioned. No, that is 90 degree. You can write from triangle. What triangle? Okay. Angle P equal to 90 degree. I will write first. Angle semicircle. So in RT triangle QPR, what happened? QR square PQ square plus PR square, 24 square plus 7 square. Yeah, 24 are 6, 2 4 are 9, 48, 6, 576, 49 should add 5, 5, yeah, 2, 625 means 625, that is QR square. Therefore QR equal to 25. Diameter this one, from that R equal to 25 by 2. Leave it. Yeah, you want to find area of the shaded region, that is nothing but area of the semicircle minus area of the right triangle. I will write here only. Yeah, area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle minus area of the right triangle, area of triangle, yeah, QPR. So area of semicircle means half into pi r square, pi r square, r means now only you got 25 by 2 whole square, minus area of the triangle, half into product of legs, 24 into 7. Okay students, now you want to simplify this, given that you can use pi as 22 by 7, 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 minus half into 24 into 7. I think no commons except 1 by 2 taken common. 22 by 7 into 25 by 2 into 25 by 2. Correct or not? Correct only. 24 into 7 minus 24 into 7. Okay students, I want to use calculator to simplify this. Okay, but in examination, yeah, they won't allow. You need to simplify it. 2 1s are 2 11s are 625, 625, 625, 5 7 8, 6 8 7 5, 6 8 7 5 by 14. Okay, minus 24 7s are 8 2 740 168. Now I want to simplify this. Yeah students, observe now. 6 okay, 6 8 6 so given in centimeters, no, you can say square centimeters. This is the area. Okay, so our next problem, a round table top has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the tabletop is 14 centimeters, find the cost of making the design with paint at the rate of 5 rupees. I think 5 rupees for centimeter square. Use root 3 as 1.732. Okay, Nana? Interesting problem. Yeah, first of all, we want to find what the area of the shaded region. After finding area of the shaded region, that area of the shaded region should be multiplied with this 5, because 1 square centimeter cost is 5 rupees. We need to find how much square centimeter is that area. Means that we need to find the area of the shaded region. Interesting thing is, all are equal, and you can say that this is a regular hexagon. Inside of a regular hexagon, so area of the circle minus area of the regular hexagon gives the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region, I will write. Okay, yeah, let side of regular hexagon be some x centimeters. So what is given in centimeters? Centimeter. Area of the shaded region, directly I wanted area of the shaded region. Region equal to area of the circle minus area of the hexagon. Area of the circle is pi r square, pi r square. Area of the hexagon 6 times of 6 equal triangles you will get. 3 by 2 side square, that is x square. Okay. Okay, now what is given? Just radius is given 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 minus 6 root 3 by 4 into x. X means this length should find. So I will find how to find. I will show you how to find. So join any radii. This is O nana. So this is A, this is B. So this is automatically what happened? Equilateral triangle only. This is equilateral triangle. So that's why what is the side of the hexagon? That should be the radius of the circle. I will write note. I will write note. Triangle OAB is an equilateral. We can prove na. All 6 segments are equal. No, this angle is theta, theta, theta. Total 6 thetas. 6 theta equals 360. Theta equals 60. This is 60. Already these two are equal. X 2x equal 120. E should be 60. All equilateral triangles only. That's why note OAB is an equilateral. That's why the side of the hexagon should be equal to the radius of the circle. I can write here r square I can write. So we need to simplify this. 22 by 7 into 14 minus 6 root 3 by 4 into radius what? 14. Okay, 14 into 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are 44. 14 4s are 4 4 the 16. 56 616. This one 616 minus 3 root 2 by 2. Okay, cancel, no, sorry. 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 1s are 2 7s are 49 6 are 49 6 are 54 6 4s are 24 29 294. What that is? 49 294. Okay, I will write 294 into root 3. 294 into root 3. I should find now we need to 294 1 point 732 509.202 208. Okay, now subtraction 6.000. we need to subtract 509.208. here 2, here 9, here 7 point. What happened here? Here 116.0. 106.79 or 80 I can say approximately. So finally what happened? So the area of the region is 106.8 square centimeters. So we need to find cost. No? For every square centimeter square, 1 centimeter square 5 rupees. Just we need to multiply with 5. I will write here only the total cost. For what? Design or something. That is not important. Total cost equal to 106.8 into 5. 40. 34 534.0 rupees 534. Now exercise problems. One by one I want to explain. Okay, see, first problem, a chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtend a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. Both should find none. 10. Okay, radius 10. Okay. Okay, sure. First of all, I want a rough diagram for that. This is circle. This chord is dividing circular region into two pieces. So this is one, dotted one is one. So this is another. We want to find their areas. Okay, given that this chord is making 90 degree at center, that is interesting. Making 90 degree at center. Radius is 10. So to find the area of the minor segment, just we need to find area of the sector minus area of this triangle gives minor segment. After finding minor segment, you can find major segment directly. Okay, area. First of all, what should find? Area of the triangle should find. Area of triangle. What is triangle? AOB equal half into product of legs, 10 into 10. 5 are 50. 50 square centimeter or square, what is given here? Centimeter, square centimeter. SQ centimeters. Yeah, here are the sector. Which sector? AOB only. That can be minor sector. AOB, minor sector. Equal 90 degree by 360 into pi r square. R square means 10 square. 10 into 10. 94 are 4, 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 25 by 5. 25 into pi. Okay. Now area of the minor segment. Area of minor segment equal to directly area of the sector minus area of the triangle, 25 pi minus, what is that, Nana? Where is that? 50. Now I want to take 25 common. Pi minus 2 square centimeters. So you can simplify now instead of, so what should find next? Major segment. What is this angle? 270, or directly area of the circle minus this gives the area of the major segment. I will write area of the major segment. Area of major segment. Okay, equal to area of the circle minus area of minor segment. Area of segment pi r square. R means 10, 100. Minus this, just now we got, what is that? 25 pi plus 50. What is this? 75 pi plus 50. You can 25 can take common. 3 pi plus 2. Square units. Square centimeters. So this is the area of the major segment. Okay, students, I want to read second problem. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeters subtend an angle 120 at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Just now explained, no, similar way. In previous problem, angle is 90 given, here 120 given. You people can complete it. That is not a big problem. Okay. So first one I explained, second one you do.